Hello, this is John from the QC department. I need to report an issue with the material specifications we received today.
Hi John, what's the problem?
We ordered aluminum sheets with a composition of 98% aluminum, but the batch we received is only 95%. That's outside the required tolerance.
That sounds serious. Did you check all the batches?
Yes. We found another batch with only 94% aluminum.
That's unacceptable. Let me contact the supplier. Do you have photos of the material and the supplier certificate?
Yes, I took some. I'll send them over now.
Thanks. I'll check our purchase order and see what went wrong.
Should we put production on hold?
Yes. We can't risk defects or rejected products. Let's clarify this with the supplier first.
Also, I noticed some sheets have inconsistent thickness. Some are 0.2 mm thinner than the required standard.
That's another issue. I'll include that in my report to the supplier. What about the surface quality?
There are scratches and oxidation marks on several sheets. I suspect poor handling during transportation.
I see. Have you checked the batch number and certification documents?
Yes, the batch number matches, but the material doesn't comply with the original specification sheet.
I'll request an official explanation from the supplier. Meanwhile, please prepare a detailed inspection report with all findings.
Understood. I'll also ask production to separate the defective materials.
Good idea. Let's see if we can get a replacement shipment as soon as possible. I'll update you after speaking with the supplier.